welcome to something a little bit different at Dandelion Creations. Old versus new. Remember, if you enjoy my content and this video, be sure to give me a like and also a subscribe. It does help a lot for me to bring content in the future. Now, what are we looking at today? We have the Yankee Screwdriver. By far my favourite thing about the drill. I've got to say, as far as tools go, this is quite a pretty one. A little history regarding this tool. It was first marketed as a Yankee screwdriver way back in 1895. Although the original patents for a spiral push drill and spiral screwdriver, like the Yankee, were patented even further back in 1868. That's a long time ago. Stanley eventually bought the name Yankee and used it until their own brand took off. What about the one I have here? This one is made in Sheffield, and I believe production in the UK factories ceased in 2007. This one is actually made in West Germany, which is, your history buffs out there might know, no longer exists as a country. It's now a unified Germany. So this has got to be before the fall of the Berlin Wall, which I believe is 1991. If I'm wrong, I'll put it up here. They are pretty old. I know the last place that Stanley made them was over in Japan, but although I believe they've stopped production as well now. I know you can get some companies that will make accessories for them, but this isn't what this video is about. This video is more to show you the actual tool, because they're not that well known these days, and then look at what our modern equivalent is. Now, it is sad that tools like this are no longer in use, but unfortunately progress waits for no one, and here's the reason why it's not used. Your combi drill. This is an 18 volt 5 amp hour battery pack inside the actual drill casing. It uses lithium ion batteries. The older models, which first appeared, actually surprised me, in 1961, used nickel cadmium batteries. Those batteries have now gone out of use. A fun fact I learned while looking into these was that the cordless rotary hammer drill was first developed for the Apollo space program, so the astronauts didn't go spinning around. There we have it. We have space age technology, and we have a Yankee screwdriver, first patented in 1868. 100 years difference. This has taken off. Unfortunately, this very pretty tool has fallen by the wayside. As good as this is, it still doesn't do this. Now, without further ado, I'm introducing a fan favourite, Big Dave. Cue to Big Dave. Right, so I've got Big Dave with me again.
Hi all.
Third time he's in a video now. He's trying to take over the channel. So what I've done is, this was my dad's idea to do a Yankee screwdriver, and I'll do a cordless. Obviously,
I'll get the hard work then.
yeah, it's not usual. I don't think it's going to be much of a competition when it comes to this sort of stuff, but it is pretty how it works. I used to struggle using this when I was younger, just because it does take a bit of strength to use, and that's why he wanted me to do the video as well.
But
so
easy.
I'm going to time the two, and we're going to see how long it takes. So, you go first. First up. Wait. That's cheating.
Hang on. Oh, you've cheated. You've got it on reverse.
3, 2, 1. Go.
Done.
16 seconds.
Not bad.
So he did it in 16 seconds, which seemed it's fast enough. I thought you were going to break the table. Next time I'm going to make him use this one. That'd probably been a bit fairer. Bonus footage time. Go!
Yeah.
Out 17 seconds.
So it wasn't that slower.
That's terrifying to watch.
So I was feeling pretty confident originally. Not so much now. There was a funny story. I almost stabbed him in the neck once with one of those. Careful. Because they are dangerous weapons. They're like the Wolverine of tool world. So, my turn next. Set up the camera. Although my chances, I'm a bit worried about after that. We're going to start. Eyes down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Stop. How long was that?
23 seconds.
He would. Although I did do 5 and he did 4.
Do you want to have
There's
another
the
challenge?
speed-
I'll do
this-
5, you do 4.
Well, the speed and ferocity did it. I don't think it did. So basically, looking at it, the old school wins.
I'm knackered. But
Yeah.
the old school wins.
You couldn't do it all day,
No.
whereas he probably could do it all day. But fair play to it. I'm surprised. Are you surprised?
Yeah, I was surprised how close. Yeah, I was. I didn't think it would.
Audience in the back, are you surprised?
Yeah.
Old today won against young. So a beautiful not 1868 it was first patented, and it's still beating out on the lithium-ion batteries. So well
You
done
can
to
do
it.
that all day.
You still got some life in you yet, Dad?
I'm using it to
Just
hold
about.
up now.
He's going for a lie down now. Thanks for taking part, and without further ado, stay dandy.
Stay dandy.
Might as well. Oh, maybe not. I did make a little error. I'm actually on 1 speed before. I should have been on 2. So we're going to have one last little one. And my dad's gone. So if you count me in.
Ready, steady, go. Ten seconds.
So get it on double speed, do it right, and it does win out. But all in all, even though it's lost in the end, I mean, it works all day. It goes on how tired you are, gives you a nice workout, and also it's just a pretty good tool. So I'm going to mark this dandy.
Three, 2, 1, go. He's slower.
He's much slower. They're not running. Have you got it on reverse? Is it on reverse? Let's start again.
Oh my god.
Yes!
Ready, steady, go.
Ugh. Tom.
19 seconds
5
for
in
5.
19.